Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. Discover Alanya's hidden gems. The ultimate guide to your dream home. Part 1 of 12. Want to buy real estate in Turkey? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Part 1. Turkey. Introduction. Real Estate Group introduces you to the charming neighborhoods of Alanya, where dreams find home. Nestled along the sun-kissed shores of the Turkish Riviera, Alanya beckons with its ancient history, azure waters, and a vibrant lifestyle. As you explore this coastal gem, you'll discover 10 neighborhoods, each with its unique character, a symphony of tradition and modernity. 1. The Alanya Center District, where time stands still. At the heart of Alanya lies the central neighborhood, an enchanting blend of old-world charm and contemporary allure. Here, the Red Tower stands sentinel, whispering tales of Seljuk warriors and Byzantine traders. Cobblestone streets lead to bustling bazaars where spices mingle with silk and the aroma of K dances in the air. As the sun sets over the harbor, the central neighborhood invites you to be part of its living history. 2. Avsalar District, a beach lover's paradise. Avsalar, with its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, is a haven for beach enthusiasts. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves, strolling along palm-fringed promenades, and savoring fresh seafood by the shore. Here, life moves at a leisurely pace, and sunsets paint the sky in hues of pink and gold. Avsalar isn't just a neighborhood, it's an eternal summer retreat. 3. Demirtaş District, where tranquility meets nature. In Demirtaş, time slows down. This rustic neighborhood, surrounded by lush forests and citrus groves, offers a serene escape from the world. Imagine picnics by the dim river, where the water sparkles like diamonds, and evenings are lit by fireflies. Demirtaş whispers secrets of simplicity and contentment, a place to recharge and reconnect. 4. Jitgili District, a hidden gem in the hills. Jitgili, perched on the hillsides, rewards adventurers with breathtaking views. Here, narrow alleys wind past whitewashed houses adorned with bougainvillea. The scent of pine mingles with the sea breeze, and locals gather at cozy cafes to share stories. Jitgili isn't just a neighborhood, it's a canvas for dreamers and artists. 5. Karjicak District, where luxury meets tranquility. Karjicak, with its upscale villas and panoramic vistas, is a retreat for discerning souls. Imagine infinity pools overlooking the sea, private gardens where olive trees sway, and sunsets that linger in your heart. Karjicak isn't just a neighborhood, it's a sanctuary for those who seek solace in beauty. 6. Kestel District, a tapestry of tradition and modern living. Kestel weaves together the old and the new. Here, Ottoman-style houses stand alongside sleek apartments. The scent of freshly baked simit fills the air, and locals gather at tea gardens to discuss life's mysteries. Kestel isn't just a neighborhood, it's a bridge between generations. 7. Mahmutlar District, where diversity flourishes. Mahmutlar pulses with energy, a multicultural hub where flavors collide and traditions intertwine. Turkish markets spill over with exotic fruits, while Russian cafes serve blini and borscht. Mahmutlar isn't just a neighborhood, it's a celebration of global kinship. 8. Aba District, a coastal symphony. Aba dances to the rhythm of the sea. Palm-lined boulevards lead to beach clubs, where sunbeds await. Imagine morning jogs along the promenade, followed by lazy afternoons in beachfront cafes. Aba isn't just a neighborhood, it's a serenade to the senses. 9. Payalar District, a rustic retreat. Payalar, with its olive groves and almond orchards, exudes simplicity. Here, time is measured by the sun's journey across the sky. Imagine evenings under star-studded canopies, where laughter echoes through village squares. Payalar isn't just a neighborhood, it's a love letter to nature. 10. Tosmer District, where adventure begins. Tosmer, cradled by the Taurus Mountains, invites explorers. Hike to Dim Cave, where underground rivers carve ancient secrets. Taste pomegranate straight from the tree, and let the scent of pine guide your steps. Tosmer isn't just a neighborhood, it's an invitation to wander. So, dear reader, message us on WhatsApp +797 737 65428, which neighborhood piques your interest. Whether you are looking for history, luxury, or simplicity, the tapestry of Alanya awaits you. Let's hit the road together with Real Estate Group. The sea will be our compass, and the sun will be our guide. Chapter 1. Geography and Culture of Turkey. Real Estate Group offers an introduction to the fascinating aspects of Turkey's geography and culture. 1. Geography and Relief. Turkey, geographically situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, boasts diverse landscapes shaped by several factors. Anatolian Peninsula. The heart of Turkey, Anatolia, features a high central plateau, approximately 1,000 to 1,200 meters above sea level. It is surrounded by mountain ranges in the North Black Sea Mountains and South Taurus Mountains. The eastern part of Anatolia rises to high mountainous terrain, home to the sources of rivers like the Euphrates, Tigris, and Arax. Notably, Mount Ararat Akri Degi stands as Turkey's highest peak at 5,137 meters. Relief. Most of Turkey's relief consists of high plateaus and mountain ranges that sharply rise above surrounding seas: Mediterranean, Aegean, Marmara, and Black Sea. These dramatic landscapes contribute to Turkey's unique character too. Climate. Turkey experiences a temperate climate with distinct seasons. Summers, hot and dry. Winters, mild and wet, with harsher conditions in the interior regions. 3. Inland waters. Lake Van. Located in eastern Anatolia, Lake Van Vanglu is the largest lake in Turkey. It's known for its stunning turquoise color and historical significance. Rivers. The Euphrates Farah, Tigris Dikil, and Arax Aras originate in the eastern mountains. 4. Wildlife and ecology. Biodiversity hotspot. Turkey is a hotspot of biodiversity within Europe, the Middle East, and Turano-Iranian areas. It hosts an exceptional richness of endemic flora and fauna species. Treeless landscapes. Many areas in central to eastern Anatolia exhibit treeless landscapes, contributing to the unique ecological balance. 5. Population and languages. Population. Turkey's population is diverse, with Turkish being the official language. Other minority languages, including Kurdish, are spoken. Religion. The majority of Turks, 99.8%, adhere to Islam, primarily Sunni. A small minority follows other faiths, including Christianity and Judaism. In summary, Turkey's geographical diversity, cultural heritage, and natural beauty make it an enticing destination for property buyers. Feel free to explore it further or ask us on WhatsApp. +797 737 65428 for more details. Chapter 2. Turkey's Economy. Real Estate Group offers a dive into the details of the Turkish economy. 1. Economy as of 2024 and forecast. As of 2024, the Turkish economy is experiencing both challenges and opportunities. Here are some key points. Growth forecast. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) has revised Turkey's growth forecast for 2024 to 3.6%, up from the previous estimate of 3.1%. Additionally, other sources predict growth rates ranging from 3.5% to 4%. Rebalancing efforts. The government aims to maintain a supportive fiscal stance while gradually rebalancing the economy. Structural reforms are underway to attract foreign investment and enhance competitiveness. 2. Main industries and special economic zones. 2.1 Main industries. Manufacturing. Turkey's manufacturing sector plays a crucial role, including textiles, automotive, electronics, and machinery. Research and development (RD). The country focuses on innovation and technology-driven growth. Software. Turkey is emerging as a software development hub with tax incentives for software companies. 2. To Special Economic Zones (SESH). Technology Development Zones (TDZS). These foster RD initiatives and high-tech investments. Benefits include tax exemptions and support for software development. Organized Industrial Zones (OIS). Investor-friendly environments with ready-to-use infrastructure. OIS offer advantages like low utility costs and tax exemptions. Free zones. European Free Trade Zone, Istanbul Leather, and Industrial Free Zone, and Aegean Free Zone are active and attract international trade. 3. Trade partners. Exports. Turkey's top exports include refined petroleum, cars, jewelry, and motor vehicles. Major export destinations are Germany, the United States, Iraq, the United Kingdom, and Italy. Imports. Key imports consist of gold, refined petroleum, scrap iron, cars, and petroleum gas. China, Germany, Russia, the United States, and Italy are major import partners. 4. Political support and stability. Current landscape. Turkey's political landscape faces a turning point. After 2 decades of AK Party dominance, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's popularity is waning. The transition to a presidential system has led to realignments and political alliances. 5. Currency in Turkey. The official currency of Turkey is the Turkish lira. 1 lira is divided into 100 kuruş. It is used in Turkey, northern Cyprus, and northern Syria under the interim government. In summary, Turkey's economy faces challenges but also shows resilience and growth potential. The government's policies, trade partnerships, and political stability will shape its trajectory in the coming years. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask us on WhatsApp. +797 737 65428. Chapter 3. Investments in Turkey. Real Estate Group proposes to examine foreign direct investment (FDI) in Turkey over the past 5 years. 1. Overall trends. Cumulative FDI. Between 2003 and 2021, Turkey attracted around $240 billion in FDI. Recent years. 2019. FDI inflow was $9.55 billion. 2020. FDI inflow declined to $7.70 billion due to global economic challenges. 2021. Turkey regained momentum with $13.33 billion in FDI, becoming the 5th most popular FDI destination in Europe. 2022. FDI stood at $13.9 billion. 2. Sectoral breakdown. Historically, finance and manufacturing sectors attracted the highest FDI in Turkey. Diversification. Turkey aims to position itself higher in the global value chain, leading to a more diversified sectoral breakdown. 3. Regional origins of FDI. Europe, North America, and Gulf countries have been major sources of FDI for Turkey. Notably, the share of Asia in FDI has been rising. 4. Companies with international capital. As of mid-2022, Turkey had 78 to 157 companies with international capital, a significant increase from 600 in 2002. In summary, Turkey's FDI landscape has seen fluctuations but remains resilient. The country's strategic location, diverse sectors, and investor-friendly policies continue to attract international capital. If you need more information or have additional questions, feel free to ask us on WhatsApp. +797 737 65428. Chapter 4. Residence Permits and Visas in Turkey. Real Estate Group offers an overview of visa and residency options in Turkey, with a focus on long-term and investor visas. 1. Residence Permits in Turkey. A residence permit allows foreigners to extend their stay in Turkey beyond the initial visa period. Here are the key types of residence permits. 1. One short-term residence permit. Eligibility. Foreigners who own real estate in Turkey. Those intending to establish a business or make business connections in Turkey. Duration. Initially issued for up to 2 years. Investor exception. Foreigners intending to invest in Turkey. Amounts and scopes attested by the Council of Ministers can obtain a 5-year short-term residence permit. Application process. Submit an application through the e-residence system. Required documents include a copy of the passport, biometric photographs, proof of financial sufficiency, health insurance, and relevant investment-related documents e.g., property deeds, business-related certificates. Investment criteria for extended permits. Minimum fixed capital investment of $500,000. Property acquisition worth at least $400,000 with a title deed restriction on resale for 3 years. Creating jobs for at least 50 people. Depositing $500,000 in Turkish banks not withdrawn for 3 years. Buying government bonds or real estate investment fund shares worth $500,000 not sold for 3 years. 1. To long-term residence permit. Eligibility. Foreigners who have continuously resided in Turkey for at least 8 years. Benefits. Indefinite duration. No need to renew annually. Allows family reunification. Application process. Apply at the Provincial Directorate of Migration Management. Required documents include proof of continuous residence, financial stability, and other standard documents. 2. Investor visas for real estate buyers. Investor visa short-term residence. Available to foreigners investing in Turkey as specified earlier. Allows a 5-year residence permit. Pathway to Turkish citizenship or long-term residence. Real estate buyers. Owning property worth at least $400,000 with title deed restriction qualifies for a short-term residence permit. Real estate buyers can also apply for long-term residence after meeting the continuous residence requirement. Residence permits for real estate buyers. Real estate ownership is a common basis for residence permits. Ensure proper documentation, including title deeds and proof of financial means. Remember that visa and residence permit regulations may change, so it's essential to consult official sources or legal experts for the most up-to-date information. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask us on WhatsApp. +797 737 65428. Chapter 5. Tourism in Turkey. Real Estate Group proposes to study tourism trends in Turkey from 2019 to 2024. 1. Overview of tourism in Turkey. Turkey is a captivating destination that attracts travelers from around the world. Its rich cultural heritage, historical sites, and Mediterranean climate make it an appealing choice for tourists. Istanbul, straddling Europe and Asia, remains the most popular destination for international visitors. Its districts span both continents, connected by the iconic Bosporus Strait. 2. Tourism statistics. 2019. At its peak, Turkey welcomed around 51 million foreign tourists. 2020. Due to the pandemic, tourism suffered significantly, with arrivals declining to approximately 13.77 billion USD. 2021. Despite challenges, Turkey regained momentum, becoming the 4th most visited country globally. The number of tourists rebounded, reaching around 41 million. 2022. Tourism statistics for this year are not yet available, but the industry continues to recover. 2023. The total contribution of travel and tourism to Turkey's GDP exceeded pre-pandemic levels, amounting to more than 1.7 trillion Turkish lira. The sector generated over 3 million jobs directly and indirectly. 2024. Ambitious goals include reaching 100 million guests and $100 billion in revenue. As of now, Turkey has already seen 60 million tourists and $56 billion in revenue, with Antalya surpassing its 2019 record by welcoming over 15 million tourists. 3. Antalya. Antalya, known for its stunning coastline, ancient ruins, and vibrant nightlife, remains a top choice for tourists. Its popularity continues to grow, contributing significantly to Turkey's tourism revenue. In summary, Turkey's tourism industry faced challenges during the pandemic, but has shown resilience. With strategic goals and natural beauty, it remains an attractive destination for travelers. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask us on WhatsApp. +797 737 65428. Want to buy real estate in Turkey? Write a request in WhatsApp. +797 737 65428. And we will find the best options for you. Everyone is buying with us. Alanya neighborhoods are waiting for your signature on their sun-kissed shores. Let's start our journey today. Listen to the continuation in Part 2.